Embark on an exhilarating gaming journey with our comprehensive guide to the top gaming laptops, where we've delved deep into the intricacies of AMD processors and NVIDIA graphics silicon. Our extensive testing has enabled us to discern which laptops are virtuosos, offering an unrivaled gaming experience, and which ones fall short, leaving much to be desired. We're not exclusively highlighting sleek, high-end machines. Our selection encompasses a diverse range of gaming laptops at various price points, ensuring that there's something for every budget while delivering optimum performance and value for money. Number 5. Asus ROG Strix Scar 17. Closing our lineup is the Asus ROG Strix Scar 17, featuring an AMD Ryzen 9 7945 HX3D and NVIDIA RTX 4090. Recognized as one of the fastest and most powerful gaming laptops, especially with the addition of the new AMD X3D chip, it caters to those who prioritize sheer gaming prowess. However, some ergonomic considerations might leave users yearning for more refinement in its design. Number 4. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14, GA402 secures the 4th position, presenting a slightly less potent version than its predecessor. Sporting an AMD Ryzen 9 7940 HS and NVIDIA RTX 4060, this machine delivers admirable gaming performance, making it an affordable yet compelling choice. With a bit of SSD upgrade, it stands poised for an immersive gaming experience. Number 3. Razer Blade 15. The sleek and sophisticated Razer Blade 15 takes the 3rd spot. Equipped with an Intel Core i7 12800H NVIDIA RTX 3070Ti, 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, and 16 GB of dual-channel DDR5 RAM clocked at an impressive 4,800 MHz. This slimline powerhouse delivers fantastic frame rates, especially on its stunning 240Hz OLED screen. Number 2. Gigabyte G5. Our runner-up, the Gigabyte G5, has retained its title as the best affordable gaming laptop from the previous year. Featuring an Intel Core i5 12650H, NVIDIA RTX 4060, 16 GB DDR4 3200, and a 512 GB SSD, it strikes a perfect balance between performance and price. While a more budget-friendly version with 8 GB of RAM is available, easy access to the G5's internals allows for convenient RAM upgrades. Number 1. Lenovo Legion Pro 7i, Gen 8. The undisputed champion in our lineup, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i, Gen 8, boasts an Intel Core i9 13900HX, NVIDIA RTX 4080 150W, 32 GB DDR5, and a 1 TB NVMe SSD. This stellar configuration ensures an exceptional gaming experience, often rivaling laptops equipped with the more reserved RTX 4090 GPUs. It's a powerhouse that truly shines in the gaming arena. Our extensive evaluation has resulted in a meticulously curated list of gaming laptops, ensuring that whether you're a budget-conscious gamer or seeking the pinnacle of gaming performance, there's a perfect match for you. Game on, and may your victories be plentiful.